In today's video, I am going to teach you how to request time off in Gusto. Once you are logged into your Gusto account, take a moment to look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the main areas you use most often. To get started, click Home in the left menu if you are not already there. From Home, select Time Off. This opens the Time Off area where you can view your balances, review past requests, and submit a new request. On the Time Off page, look for the option labeled Request Time Off. Then select it. This will bring up the request form where you will enter the details of your time away. The first thing you will do is choose the policy for your request. Select the policy that matches the type of time off you need, such as vacation or sick. This step is important because your organization may track different policies separately, and your available hours can vary depending on the policy you choose. Next, select the dates for your time off. Choose the start date and the end date of the time you are requesting. Be sure the dates match what you intend to take off, especially if you are requesting a range that includes multiple days. After you set the dates, enter the number of hours per day. This is where you specify whether you are taking a full day or only part of a day. For example, if you are leaving early for an appointment, you can request fewer hours for that specific day. Enter your hours carefully, because this is what determines how much time is deducted from your balance and what your manager or administrator will review for approval. If your schedule varies by day, pay close attention as you fill in the hours for each date. Once everything looks correct, submit the request by selecting Request. Your request is now sent for approval based on your company's workflow. After you submit, it is a good idea to double-check that the policy, dates, and daily hours reflect exactly what you intended before you navigate away. That covers everything you need to know.